Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess, and today I'm going to be painting on a cake. I've never done this before. I like to bake a lot, so I'm excited. I like to paint, but I mean, icing's a little bit different than that. It's gonna be completely edible, and I actually, not gonna lie, I already made it as of me recording this, but I'm not gonna spoil anything. I'm just going to say that it was really fun, and I can't wait to show you guys the process, so let's get into it. Okay, hello. Not really sure what I'm going to say in this voiceover, but basically I'm just showing you a montage of all the ingredients in me making this cake. It was not your average basic cake. It took a couple extra steps, but it was fun nonetheless. Again, actually no, I haven't said this yet, but I'll link below the recipe that I used. I'm definitely not like giving you a tutorial in any way. I just thought it'd be interesting to show some of the process. So yeah, this is a vanilla cake, and it's apparently like blended with like Japanese style and like American Western culture or something like that. I don't know. That's what the recipe said. Ooh, that is so satisfying. Now that's it. I just put it in the oven and baked it up, cleaned up, and there you go. So I'm going to be using these, what's it called? Offset spatulas for the painting process, but I'm also just going to use that to remove this cake. I'm only doing a 1-layer cake just because it's just for my family, so I figured a smaller cake would be better. But then I actually ended up sharing with my friends, so. The cake looks all spotty, but that's fine. It's just because of the baking paper, but it's all good. Okay, so we gotta make frosting, then we gotta crumb coat and chill, and then ease the edges, and then we'll paint the top. It's a little while later, and my cake is pretty much thoroughly cooled. I think it is thoroughly cooled. And now I have my stick of butter that's been out softening. I have all this food coloring, which we're not gonna use right away, and some confection sugar. So we're gonna make some frosting with 1 stick of butter, softened to room temp, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. I crumb coated my cake, and we're gonna pop this in the fridge for a while. We have all this frosting left. Okay, let's take some frosting. I don't know how much. That looks good. Okay. Take some blue. Just mix it up. Oh wow. It's very vibrant. Let's get started. You don't have to be silent.
It's so pretty.
What if I just...
No, stop.
Oh, Lexi. Lexi texted.
Okay,
Oh my god, that's wonderful.
there we go. We can
Okay.
stop it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, thank you. Maybe want to leave a like if you did enjoy it. I can definitely... Oh, this lighting is too bright. I would definitely love to do more baking content on this channel if you liked. This was a very interesting experience. I'll leave the recipe for the cake down below, as I said. It was a good cake. It was like very fluffy. Vanilla is not my favorite. I just wanted to do vanilla instead of chocolate because I feel like I always do chocolate. But anyway, this was fun. I've never even like used like palette knives to paint before, so this was a completely different experience. If you want to see more baking, I would love to do it. I love to bake. I could try maybe like something else next time, or I could take this to another extreme. Let me know. And I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.